Unlocking the low performance settings on your Steam Deck can enhance your gaming experience by allowing for better performance and graphics. Follow these steps to adjust the settings effectively. Step 1. Access the Steam Deck settings. Navigate to the main menu on your Steam Deck and select the Settings option. This is where you will find various configurations to optimize your device's performance. Step 2. Adjust performance settings. In the Settings menu, look for the Performance tab. Here, you can modify settings such as the GPU clock speed and thermal limits to unlock higher performance levels. Step 3. Enable Developer Mode. To access advanced settings, you may need to enable Developer Mode. Go to the System section in Settings and toggle the Developer Mode option to gain access to additional performance tweaks. Step 4. Install Performance Monitoring Tools. Consider installing performance monitoring tools from the Steam Store or community. These tools can help you track frame rates and system performance, allowing you to make informed adjustments. Step 5. Test and fine-tune. After making changes, launch a game to test the performance. Monitor how the adjustments affect gameplay and fine-tune settings as needed for the best experience. By following these steps, you can unlock the full potential of your Steam Deck and enjoy a smoother gaming experience. Happy gaming!